So we're doing a cabin filter on a 2019 BMW 430. Alright, so this applies to the 4 Series, 3 Series. Now if you're looking for the cabin filter and can't find it, it's on the passenger side. This one is not one of the funner ones to do. This one's a little harder. Okay, they could have made it a little bit easier, I guess. But it's going to be under here. I'm trying to get a tool out of my pocket. Hold on. Alright. You're going to need a 10 millimeter and a Torx T20, okay? And that's all you need to do this. All right, so we're going to take this bottom panel off, okay? So you see here, this thing has an airbag here. If you didn't know, there's a power outlet underneath this thing under here. All right, and you have a light. Now we look, there's a 10 millimeter here, and a 10 millimeter right here, okay? Now I've already loosened these up just for the video because I don't want to waste any time. Waste your time. But take these out, right? 10 millimeter. Alright, take this one out. Now, putting this panel back is terrible, just to let you know. Okay, so pull this down. There's a clip right there. And there's a clip right here, okay? And then pull it down. It's kind of like when you just note back, kind of back here, this part right here, that little piece right here, it needs to go back to where it came from. There's a little slot right there. That can be kind of tricky, and this piece right here can be kind of tricky to get back underneath here. All right, so go ahead and unplug the power outlet, unplug the light, get the panel out your way. All right, T20 time. So cabin filter's in this box here, T20 here, T20 here. Take those out. All right. So once you get that loose, you want to pull this down, and you probably want to turn the blower off. I have it on because it's 1,000 degrees today. Okay, you can see the filter's already jumping out of this thing. It needs to be replaced. It's gross, 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 gross. Now, your new one will not be this shaped. You're gonna have to bin your new one in there. Okay, now if we look, you can see that the dirt is on this side, so that means the airflow is that way. All right, because the stuff gets trapped here. This side should be fairly clean, which it is. Okay, so the reason why I'm telling you that is that on your aftermarket filters, it should be labeled airflow. Okay, so we're going that way, so this guy's getting installed like this. Okay, so if you need a filter, check the description box. I have an Amazon link where you can get a filter for your 430 2019. They're Amazon, okay? You'll get a nice quality filter like this one right here. All right, so this probably is gonna be kind of tricky to do with one hand in this video, so let's see if I can do it. All right, so bend this guy up, get it in here. We'll go in just like that. Airflow direction's going back if you can't figure that out. And then put this back, put the screws back in. This is where I'm going to end the video, okay, because pretty much I'm done. The rest of it's kind of like struggling putting all the panel back. But yeah, I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you could hit the like button for me, leave me a comment if you could, and I hope to see you again in another Beamer video.